Obviously we're in a high-rise basement. They've had water ingress, whether it's been in the spoon drains or coming through the walls. We found that there's been, on lower levels, that there's been water travelling down the outside of pipes. So we're here to rectify those situations. We've got cracking in some of the spoon drains, which will require us to do some injection, high pressure injection, to seal up those cracks to stop that water passing through to the next level and dripping on cars and causing damage. If the water level here is at the river and the basement is lower, then clearly that ground is going to be wet right around there. Our concern is to make sure that any cracking that's through this spoon drain here is all sealed up so that water that travels here that should be able to isn't travelling down through the cracks, running through these cracks and then running all over cars. Up in the corner there's a plumbing pipe that's taking that water down into the stormwater. Hasn't been installed correctly, so the water is literally passing from the concrete between the concrete and the pipe, so it's running down the outside of the pipe. We've done a rebate in there to lower that spot so that there is a ponding spot there for the water, and I'm going to install a puddle flange, seal that in, so now the water will go in, and that puddle flange goes down inside the pipe, so now the water will come across the puddle flange and inside the pipe instead of the outside of the pipe.